Welcome students on online class subject physics. Today we have to learn about the chapter number 15, structure of atoms and nuclei. So here in this chapter we can see many points. From this, in last video we have seen isotopes, isobars, and today we have seen isotones. But before starting the isotones, we can again revise. Isotopes are the atoms which has same number of protons and different number of neutrons. Their example will be hydrogen has 3 isotopes: hydrogen, deuterium and tritium. So hydrogen having mass number 1, atomic number 1 as hydrogen. Deuterium, like hydrogen having mass number 2 and atomic number 1, is called deuterium. Whereas hydrogen which has mass number 3 and atomic number 1 is tritium. Means isotopes having same number of protons and different number of neutrons. Whereas another term will be seen, isobars. Isobars is atoms which has same mass number and different atomic number. Isobars having different neutrons. So their example will be carbon, nitrogen. Carbon having mass number 13, atomic number 6. Nitrogen having mass number 13, atomic number 7. Another example will be helium. Helium having mass number 3, atomic number 2, and helium having mass number 4, atomic number 2. Another example of isobar will be hydrogen, mass number 3, atomic number 1, said to be tritium, whereas helium, mass number 3 and atomic number 2. Means these are the examples of isobars. A question will be asked, what is meant by isobars, what is meant by isotopes, what is the difference between isotopes and isobars. The third term will be seen, that is isotones. What is meant by isotones? So we can study that isotones are the atoms which has same number of neutron and different number of atomic number, or different atomic number. Same number of neutrons or same number of neutrons and different atomic numbers. See here, their examples will be helium, mass number 3, hydrogen, mass number 3 and atomic number 1. Helium, mass number 4, atomic number 1. They are isotones. See here, silicon and phosphor. Silicon having mass number 31, atomic number 14. Phosphor having mass number 32, atomic number 15. These are examples of isotones. In these examples, if we can see 31 mass number and atomic number 14 are subtracted, or 14 is subtracted from 31. Answer will be 17. Here 32 is subtracted, 15 is subtracted from 32. Answer will be 17. That is isotones. Means the question will be asked difference between isotones, isobars, or isotones, isotopes, or what is meant by isotopes, what is meant by isobars, and what is meant by isotones. Another bit will be studied, that is measuring of masses of atomic and subatomic materials. See here, subatomic means electrons, protons, and neutrons. There are three types of measurement of mass of subatomic material, subatomic substances. See here, subatomic particles. So, number one unit will be kilogram. We know that subatomic particle, that is mass of electron. See here, mass of electron, that is 9.109383 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. That is mass of electron. Another subatomic particle, that is mass of proton, that is 1.672623 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. The third subatomic particle named as neutron. So we can see mass of neutron, that is 1.674927 into 10 to the power minus 27 kilogram. If we can see mass of three subatomic particles, then we conclude that mass of electron is negligible, less as compared to mass of proton and mass of neutron. Mass of neutron is more, slightly more as compared to mass of proton. Here, these three subatomic particles, they are extremely small than 1. Due to this, kilogram unit is not convenient for in atomic physics for the subatomic particles. So, second number of unit, second number or second unit will be unified atomic mass. Unified atomic mass. Unified atomic mass unit. It is shown by U. Means first unit will be kilogram and second unit will be unified atomic mass unit. Can be represented by or can be denoted by U. So 1 unit is 1 upon 12. 1 unit is 1 upon 12 of mass of 1 upon 12 of mass of a carbon or neutral carbon. So 1 unit is equal to or 1 unit mass or 1 unified atomic mass unit. It will be 1.66 05402 into 10 to the power minus 27 kilogram. 1 atomic unit will be 1.660540 into 10 to the power minus 27 kilogram. So we want to find out subatomic particle like electron, like proton, like neutron. Their mass in terms of unified atomic mass unit, whose 1 unit value will be 1.660540 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. So we can say that therefore 1 kg, that is equal to 1 upon 1.660540 into 10 to the power minus 27 unit or unified atomic unit. If we can substitute the value in mass of electron, we know that mass of electron, that will be mass of electron, it will be 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. Here, if we substitute the value of kg, so mass of electron will be 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 upon 1.660540 into 10 to the power minus 27. If minus 10 to the power minus 27 is shifted in numerator, so mass of electron will be 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 into 10 to the power 27 upon 1.6605. Here, that value cannot seen in logarithm. If we can solve by using logarithm, so that mass of electron, it will be 0.00054 unit or approximately